What if you could, with a few clicks of your mouse, 3D print a toy for your child in the comforts of your own home? What if you could create gifts for your friends in minutes? Introducing the 101 Hero Mini 3D Printer, the most affordable 3D printer in the world. We've worked with the best in the industry to ensure a compact and easy-to-use design. Simply turn it on, insert a memory card, and print anything imaginable. The beauty of the 101 Hero Mini is in its simplicity. All you have to do is download one of thousands of lab-tested G-code files from our website, save it to your SD card, and make it real with one touch. We think that everyone should have access to 3D printing technology, and it's for this reason that we've made the 101 Hero Mini, the most affordable way to 3D print. The Hero Mini uses a new technology to drive the plastic extruding motor, and we've come up with many innovations in the structure and design of the printer itself. With these adaptations, you're able to have the same functionality of a high-end 3D printer, but for a fraction of the cost. Meanwhile, we've also worked hard to ensure a safe design, so the 101 Hero Mini can be enjoyed by the young and old alike. The 101 Hero Mini represents an entirely new medium for kids, engineers, artists, and makers.